Ellie, what are you doing? You doing those crazy legs again? They were faster than I've ever seen. Go. What are you doing? What are you doing? What's going on? You're happy? Your tummy's full? You're wearing some ruffles? Yeah? Wow, big girl. You're so funny. I saw you laughed at Buddy earlier today, didn't you? Did you laugh at Buddy? Oh my goodness. You got a lot of energy. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Where are you going to go? Wow. This must be Crazy Legs too. The return of Elle. She could be a runner. She could be a cyclist. She's flexing her muscles right now. Yay, baby girl. You a strong girl. You got fast, crazy legs. You got fast, crazy legs. Let's see them. They're chunky. Got some chunk to them. Oh, will you say goodbye? Ellie. Elle Renee. You say goodbye? Say goodbye. All right. Any last thoughts? There's your lion. The lion must be pretty cool. Yeah? Let's see what you think about the giraffe. Giraffe is cool too? Maybe not as cool. Oh, yes. All right, big girl. Say goodbye.